Hey guys, what's up? Nick Hutchinson, MarineMax Clearwater here. I'm standing next to a brand new Aquila 44 that we're just getting ready to send down to the Virgin Islands. We're going to jump on board here and show you through the boat real quick. This is a really stable boat. It's so big at 44 feet long and a 21-foot beam. You've got folding glass here that turns into a bar on the outer deck. Walking inside, we've got a huge entertaining area here with a table that folds down for accommodating additional guests. You've got dual cabins and heads on both sides of the boat. To bow is your master, which is a full beam master, and again that's 22 feet beam. You got a little office, starboard side, and your closet and head are on the port side in the master. Lots of cabinetry, radio and entertainment station. We got a big seating, sunbathing area to stern, right over the davit. Coming upstairs here, my favorite part of the boat is this awesome helm station with wraparound seating. It is enclosed right now with the isinglass, but when you're down in the Caribbean, that's the last thing you want up. You can have full control from the boat from up here with your Marine system and throttles linked in. And also, when this isn't here, you've got a stairway down to reach your bow. Right behind the captain's chair, you've got a cooking grilling station with a sink. An awesome little grill here. And then to stern, we've got another big wraparound seat with a convertible table. And this boat is actually rated to hold up to 21 passengers. Now it's only rated to sleep 7, but with the downstairs table that converts into a sleeping area, I'm sure you could squeeze that up to 8 or 9 if you really wanted to. If you guys have any more questions, give me a call. Nick Hutchinson, 303-875-3988.